Hello and welcome to this tutorial that introduces Fire apps as a part of the Building X offering. It covers the product overview and the system overview. With Building X Fire apps, we aim to accelerate our digitalization journey based on the power of Building X. We added new innovations that will enhance remote monitoring and management of a fleet of sites, as well as higher service efficiency, enable more flexible offering with improved competitiveness especially in large installation, and drive connectivity. Smarter Protection Matters is our commitment towards safety, reliability and efficiency. It's all about protecting people and buildings all year round while connecting with purpose, so that undisturbed spaces can be sustained all day, every day. And now, let's have a look at the product overview. Fire apps are a cloud-based suite of tools for fire safety engineers and end users that provide a remote and fast overview of customer fire protection systems and notify users when needed. They reduce traveling costs to customer sites and increase service quality by being able to diagnose and solve problems remotely, and they reduce periodic maintenance efforts and provide evidence of executed tests to customers. Fire apps offer the following: Building X Fire Manager, which is a web-based application, and the Building X Fire Connect mobile application. Fire Manager is a part of Building X, our smart building suite, and serves as a web portal which gives you a real-time status overview of your configured sites. You can check live and historical events of the selected sites. Establish a remote connection to your fire panel in order to change the configuration remotely or assist the customer in the operation. Furthermore, customizable SMS and email notifications can be configured based on your needs and preferences. And on sites with a firmware version greater than or equal to IP8, as a technician, maintenance activities can be effectively planned. In the detailed maintenance functionalities, plan the devices to be tested, check the progress of the test execution, follow up on comments and create compliant maintenance reports. Building X Fire Connect is a mobile application for Android or iOS devices enabling customers to stay in touch with their connected system. They can check the system status and events from anywhere at any time and be notified in case anything happens that requires their action. In addition, users with technician accounts can use Building X Fire Connect to efficiently execute maintenance based on test plans created in Fire Manager. Please note that this maintenance feature requires the latest introduction package IP8 to be installed on the panel. Note that for Building X Fire apps, various offerings are available. Customers can decide what use cases they want to support. Standard use cases for remote monitoring, analysis and optimization, as well as enhanced testing and/or automated disturbance-free testing. Based on their needs, they can either consume this data in their own tools or buy apps as an add-on to enable the use cases out of the box. In the data-focused subscriptions, Fire Standard Data enables bringing your data into the cloud for remote monitoring, analysis and optimization, as well as enhanced testing and basic functions of the Fire Connect app. Furthermore, by utilizing Fire API, you can bring your own developed app. Another subscription in the data part is Fire DFT Data, which ensures safety and compliancy without disturbing the customer for sites with DFT detectors. For the application-focused subscription, we offer Fire Manager as an easy-to-use front-end web application for Fire Standard Data and Fire DFT Data use cases. Furthermore, it enables full functionality of the Fire Connect app. Finally, we offer Fire-based services subscription, which is free of charge and ensures by using a mobile app to commission and maintain ASD Plus devices, leveraging Building X accounts and device management to control user access. Connecting the Fire panel to Fire apps requires an additional connection gateway. We offer two gateways with some slight differences: the Connect X300 and the Connect X200. Both offer one WAN Ethernet port and a USB interface for a 4G dongle to connect to the Internet. The Connect X300 provides one Ethernet port to connect to the Fire panel, and the Connect X200 provides an additional Ethernet port for the engineering tool. Both gateways need to be powered by an external power supply, whereas the Connect X300 supports 24-volt DC, and the Connect X200 supports 24-volt AC or DC. The Connect X300 has to be mounted outside the fire panel. The Connect X200 can be mounted inside or outside the fire panel. You can learn further details on how to mount and connect both gateways in the planning and installation tutorial. With the Connect X200 or Connect X300, any networkable Cerberus Pro fire panel running on introduction package IP7 or higher can be connected to fire apps. Standalone panels, several panels networked in one safe D-link, or several safe D-link panels networked in a so-called extended network. All sites can be connected independently of each other to fire apps.